Here are today's tips to help you be prepared for a nuclear fallout. Enjoy! If a ground-based nuclear bomb detonates, the further away you are from the blast's point of contact, ground zero, the safer you will be. You may not be in imminent danger if you are more than, say, a mile away from where it hits. However, the fallout plume from a nuclear blast can be hazardous and spread for many miles, especially if you're downwind. So here are 4 top tips on how to survive a nuclear fallout following a ground-based atomic attack. Tip 1. Check the wind direction. You can do this by throwing, say, soft tissue into the air, or watching the direction leaves and plants blow, for example. If you are within approximately 10 miles of ground zero and a downwind, move in a sideways direction quickly, as long as it's safe to do so. Tip 2. Find shelter. Get inside. Close all of the windows and doors and stay there. Go to a basement or another building made of solid brick or concrete. Tip 3. Conserve food and water. Try to make any food and water supplies you have last as long as possible by rationing and only eating and drinking what you need. Tip 4. Check all forms of communication regularly. If you have access to a radio or other means of an emergency broadcast, listen carefully for instructions on when it's safe to go outside. Remember, radiation has no smell or taste and is undetectable unless you have special equipment. It does reduce over time, but can take days or even weeks, depending on your location from the blast site, so keep calm. Subscribe to my channel to get more great survival tips like this one. Stay safe!